Hey y'all, I just did an unboxing for my husband, and now I'm going to do one for me. Alright, I'm getting all my stuff together here. Sorry. Because I want to show it to you as it comes out of the box. Alright. This is my Stitch Fix box, and I thought I would go ahead and show it to y'all because I never show it come out of the box. But when it comes, it's always got its pretty little emblem on it, so you know it's a Stitch Fix, and that's important because you've only got 3 days to turn around if you don't want it. So that's one of the reasons I'm doing this video, and then I got decided am I keeping this stuff. So first I got a blouse. Now they've been spot on picking the right sizes and styles for me. Ooh, that's kind of see-through, but I do have a white, I just got from Walmart my 3 little camis. It's got 2 white and 1 heather gray. Did I do that or did I do black? You have to choose. You can either get 2 white and heather gray or 2 black and 1 white or something like that, and I think I chose the former. Anyway, so they've got my size down pretty good. Did they get my sleeve style? It's cuffed. We'll have to try that on. When it's cuffed like that instead of elastic, my arms are so short, it tends to be something that I have to think, can I fold it back? And this is so, what is this made of? It's called the 41 Hawthorne Chase Pocket Blouse in off-white. And it's got these ginkgo leaves on it. So, no, ginseng, not ginkgo. Which one is it, y'all? Can you tell? Is that ginkgo or ginseng? Or is it neither? Kind of looks like it. But it's pretty. It's got a, is that button or it's just open? It's not actually buttons. It's just open. It's very loose. And again, you would definitely need to wear a cami under this. And it's like a heather gray / green sage, a taupey color, and a navy color, and a baby blue color. So this would be great with jeans. It'd be great with gray pants, black pants, navy pants, skirts, with a heel or with a flat, with a jacket or with not. And it does have pockets on the chest, you can see. So I'm going to have to try that on and see if those sleeves will work. But I do like it. Then here's another one that looks very similar. A Hawthorne must be a certain style that they've come to say, hey, she likes this. Yes, and I see these sleeves work better. Do you see why? They've got this little, I wonder if that one has it. I'll have to check. This little button up tab that you can roll it up and button it so that if it's too long, it still looks kind of coordinated. This is a different style too because it has on the shoulders, it has a little button tag across the shoulder, which that's nice. Just little details like that make it nice. This, they have, again, pockets on both chest sides, but this is a button up. It's that same kind of silky feeling. And it's open on the bottom, so you could wear leggings, or you could tuck it in. Or, you know, slacks. Not just leggings, but it's probably going to be long enough that it will cover my business down there, but I always have to be sure. This is a beautiful burgundy with a pinky rose, and it would look great with kind of an off-white skirt or jean or like a twill. And it would also look good with like it does not have any touch of black at all, and I'm trying to get away from everything having to have a black bottom. But khaki would look good under this, I think. So again, I'll have to try that one on. What else did I get? Alrighty. Oh. Okay, this is a jumpsuit. Now, jumpsuits are very popular right now. So, let's see. How's the sleeve? Now, see, I've got a lot of weight here, y'all, to be honest. And so I don't want a cap sleeve, but that's not a cap. It would cover. And it's beautiful coloring. This is black. It's stretchy. And it's got almost looks like Japanese cherry blossoms with some yellow and orange and some red and pink, some tan. And it's black with the leaves are like an emerald green. And so the jumpsuit is short sleeve. It's got, it has no tie. Oh, it does have a tie right at the waist so that even though it's elasticized, you know, it's got, I'm sitting here with a box in my lap. This probably wasn't the way to do this. It's got elastic, so, you know, right here. So you don't really have to have a tie off, but it just looks more finished when you do. And it does actually have the little belt loop so that you can make sure it stays up. And it's a V-neck. It's way too gaping. As you can see, it goes all the way down to the waist. So I would either pin it or wear a color-coordinated cami underneath, which is what I think I would do, is wear a color-coordinated cami underneath. Like, you know, it'd be really pretty is like a mustard color like that, or the burnt green. And this is all the way to the ankle jumpsuit, all the way down. So it's not like it's a shorts jumpsuit. So again, I'll have to try on and see what the length does. And then also, oh, this would look pretty with this, y'all. This is a pair of slink jeans, boyfriend jeans. And that would look really pretty with that, wouldn't it? With that kind of dusty rose in the background of this flower. That'd be real pretty. They also did send a pair of earrings, but y'all, I took them out and put them downstairs, and I'll tell you why. I have a pair that's almost like identical, and I'm not going to keep it. But it's like a teardrop of metal. It's in silver. I'm wearing a lot more gold right now, even though I do still wear silver. But it's a teardrop. Bree is mad because I'm not playing all, y'all. And it's got little pink bead, you know, like little pink beads, and then it's got little metallic-y silver beads right next to it, which and it's in a teardrop shape instead of like this is a circle, it's a teardrop. And again, I'm not wearing that much Brie. I'm not wearing that much silver right now, and I've got a pair just like them. So either I'm going to keep them and give them as a gift because they're very nice. They're very good quality. They're very pretty. This is really cute on these pants. And these, so you can see, it's got the little embroidered slink jeans, SJ. It'd be really cool if that was your name, like an SJ name. And then also at the bottom, it's cuffed. Now they cuffed it and then pressed it, but I'm sure you can roll that down. Yeah, you can roll that down if you want. It's a suggestion, and it would look great with that top. So I'm actually hoping these fit perfect because I do want something other than just blue jeans and black pants all the time. And just, you know, working from home, I don't do many dresses, and that's why you know, when I go out on a date with Lance, which, you know, we mostly are at home, but occasionally we go. There's 2 restaurants we will go to. One is Chick-fil-A because we do trust them because I work there and I know how strict they are behind the scenes. And the other is a restaurant called Highland Bakery, and we trust them too. So that's where we go. We usually sit outside, or they are very good about social distancing. So, but a jumpsuit would be cute, and this shirt would be cute. So, and I really do like this. Ooh, look, if me and Lance were together on a date night, look at those two together. With that blue in there and that blue navy. We'd almost look coordinated. Hope we both keep our tops. Anyway, I think out of this, the only thing that I will send back is the earrings. Unless some of this just really does not fit, I will not send it back. I am probably thinking about maybe slowing it down a month. I feel like I'm getting a lot of clothes, which is good because I need some clothes. It's time to update my wardrobe a little bit, especially to what people are wearing now, which is those kind of clothes. It's slacks that are nice, so that you feel nice, but that they're casual enough that you can just go around and do stuff in them too. You know, like run an errand or run up to the grocery store or something like that. But that the shirt's nice enough for any online meetings. So I do like that. Anyway, that's it for now. My next one will be kind of a hodgepodge. Actually, no. My next one will be about a couple of specific things, and then maybe a hodgepodge. We'll see. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this stitch fix, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye! Bye, 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 bye. Hey, would y'all keep everything? Let me know. Bye!